Let's consider the next one, that is question number 16. If 19th term of a non-zero AP is 0, then its 49th term is to 29th term. Simple question from sequence series, and that too from AP part. It is given that 19th term, let us say it is A plus 18D, this is 0. So, we have A equals minus 18D, correct. Question is talking about A 49 by A 29, that is A plus 48D upon A plus 28D. What is A? A is minus 18D. So, we have here 30D divided by 10D, that is 3 upon 1. So, the required ratio for this question is simply 3:1. I am sure this part is clear. So, let us write down the correct answer is option number 4. Let us move on to the next one, that is question number 17. The number of functions from one set to another, that is onto we are talking about, from one set to another such that fk is a multiple of 3 whenever k is a multiple of 4. Question is onto, correct. Okay, so let us begin this question. Whenever k is a multiple of 4, that is you are talking about 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then fk is a multiple of 3, you are talking about 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So, these are 5 and these are 6, correct. So, let us select 5 out of these 6. So, required ways or required number of functions equals, first select 5 out of 6, then arrange 5 onto 5 factorial ways. This is clear. Now, we are left with 15 in set A and 15 in set B. Those can be arranged in simply 15 factorial ways. So, the final result is 6 factorial into 15 factorial, that is we can see it is available here as option number 4. So, let us write down and mark the correct answer. So, I am sure this part is clear how we solve simple question from PNC. Okay, let us move on to the next one, that is question number 18. The integral, this one equals a simple question from definite integral. Now, if you look at the integrand part, it involves tan, cot and sin 2x. Sin 2x can be rewritten as 2 sin x cos x. Divide by cos square x, what you obtain? You can see this becomes tan x and numerator has sec square x. So, let us begin this question by changing this part into tan totally. We observe this is actually pi by 6 to pi by 4 tan 5x into sec square x into dx whole divided by, denominator has 2 into tan x into tan 10 in power plus 1, correct. So, this would be the term here. How? I have simply rewritten this cot as 1 by tan x, correct, and I have rewritten this sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x and divided by cos x, correct. So, here we have the term simplified as, so right here I as simply when you substitute tan 5x as t, you observe 5 tan 4x into sec square x dx is equal to dt, right. On substituting this limit here pi by 6, you see it is 1 by root 3 whole to the power 5. That means you can say 1 by 9 root 3 to 1, right. Now, numerator part, you have tan x cancelled. So, you have tan 4x into sec square x dx. Tan 4x sec square x dx is 1 by 5 dt. So, you can write here 1 by 10 dt divided by, next this 2 already taken outside, we are left with simply 1 plus t square, which is tan inverse t. So, this is 1 by 10 times tan inverse t within the limits 1 by 9 root 3 to 1. This is clear. So, here on substituting limits you obtain pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 upon 9 root 3. Let us see from the given options, pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 9 root 3 whole multiplied with 1 by 10, that is option number 1. So, correct answer for this question is option 1. I am sure this is clear.